Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find all badges you have earned on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. When you play a game on Roblox, sometimes you get badges for your achievements. However, some of you maybe are still confused on how to find it. And no worries, in this tutorial, I'm going to explain it to you. So first of all, you can go to the more option and then you're going to go to the inventory menu. And in this inventory, we need to go to the badges category right here. Okay, and these are the badges I have earned from playing games on Roblox. But if you want to find the badges for each game, you can go to the game guys. Wait, I'm going to go back to the home, and for example I'm going to see my badges from the dress to impress game. So we just need to select the game like this, open up the game, and then we can go to the badges menu. Okay, and hold on. Alright, these are the badges I have earned from dress to impress game. Okay, and you can click on see more badges here. Okay, and I'm going to try to see my badges from Robo Garden. So we can select Robo Garden and go to the badges, and you will see your badges here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find all badges we have earned on Roblox. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!